Okay, for number 3, it's a mixture problem, but in this case, it's just mixing stocks, right? Stock A and stock B. So let's draw our grid. So we have the same thing. We have an amount times a percentage equals a total. Now, in this case, it's total amount of money, right? Because we're dealing with money. And then on the left, let's see what we have. We have two stocks, stock A and stock B. So we have stock A and we have stock B, and then we have the mixture of stock A and B. We don't know how much of each, right? So let's fill in the information. Income comes from two stocks each year. The total income is $280. So that's the total goes there, right? That's the total income, total amount of money she gets. Stock A pays dividends at the rate of 5%. So A is 0.05, right? 5% is 0.05. Stock B is 6%, 0.06. If she invested a total of $5,000, so the amount she invested, the mixture is $5,000. So we have an A amount of A stock, a B amount of B stock. Now let's fill in the right-hand column. So A times 0.05, so that's 0.05A. And the second row is 0.06 times B, right? And now let's remember where our equations come from. They come from the left column and the right column, right? So down the left, we have A plus B equals 5,000. And you should use lowercase. It's just easier when I write with the stylus to make capital letters, right? Okay. And then the right column, we get 0.05A plus 0.06B equals 280. There's our system of equations, right? So let's see the easiest way to solve. So there's a lot of different choices. I'm going to solve the top equation for A. So I would get A equals 5,000 minus B, right? And the second equation is still the same, 0.05A plus 0.06B equals 280. So now I could use elimination, right? Substitution. I could substitute in 5,000 minus B for A right there. So let's do that. So we have 0.05 times A, which is 5,000 minus B, plus 0.06B equals 280, right? We substituted in. So now we have 0.05 times 5,000, which is 250. And then 0.05 times negative B is minus 0.05B plus 0.06B equals 280. So here's like terms, right? So we have 250 minus 0.05 plus 0.06 is plus 0.01B equals 280, right? Now I'm going to come up to the top here. So we subtract 250 from both sides. We have 0.01B equals 280 minus 250, which is 230. Right? Now we divide both sides by 0.01, right? So 230 divided by 0.01. So we get B equals 23,000. Okay, this looks wrong, and I can see where I made my mistake right here. So let me erase something. So right here, I made a mistake. 280 minus 250 is 30, not 230, right? Okay. So now we divide by 0.01, and we get B equals 3,000. Now we need to get A, so I'm going to use one of the easiest equations, right? So this one looks pretty straightforward. And I'm going to get A plus B, which is 3,000, equals 5,000. So A equals 2,000. So the answer would be $2,000 of stock A and $3,000 of stock B. That would be the answer to this one.